What's good, man? Welcome back to Jill Rich Trades and Stocks. We spilling all the info that they don't want you to know. And I ain't going to keep y'all too long in today's video. I just want to talk about some trading strategies that help me in the Discord bankroll today. How you can implement these trading strategies to help you profit in the stock market and what to be on the lookout in these upcoming trading days, man. So without further ado, let's get straight into the money, man. So today I want to teach y'all a little bit about how to scalp supply and demand in the stock market, man. And what is scalping? Scalping is a trading strategy to where you leverage your money and make quick gains in no longer than 10 to 15 minutes, maybe even 5 minutes sometimes. So these are fast moves in the stock market. You understand what I'm saying? Being in and out of calls and put options. So I'm gonna start screen recording on my laptop. Y'all pull out y'all trading view and y'all notepads and let's get to it. So as y'all can see, I have Alibaba, ticker symbol BABA, pulled up on TradingView right now. And I seen that in last night's overnight on Robinhood, man, it was priced at 89.70, which was close to this key level of $90 that it just couldn't break and hold past at a certain point. You see how it keeps rejecting it right here on the daily, rejection right here on the daily, came past it a little bit, shot back down on it on the daily, had all these rejections right here. So I'm like, okay, it's approaching a key level on the charts and a key psychological level, being that it's at $90. You understand what I'm saying? So that I was watching that resistance in pre-markets this morning, man. Now, if we turn this on a 5-minute time frame, we turn this on a 5-minute time frame and zoom in, I'll look for this key level to get broken and the reaction to see what the market was going to do. Was it going to break and hold past it, or was it going to be a pump fake? Now y'all see how if we zoom in, it broke this $90 level, then came back down a little bit. You understand what I'm saying? So every time I go to look at an entry point for the possible play that I'm about to take, possible trade that I'm about to take, man, I always look for the breakout candle, then the candle after the breakout candle. You understand what I'm saying? So I was looking at the candle after the breakout, and I seen that it came down a little bit, but still was respecting this 20 EMA. And looking back testing, if you see, this always is hugging the 20 EMA, whether it's on the downside and keep bouncing down off of it, or whether it's on the upside and keeps bouncing up off of it. You understand what I'm saying? So the 20 EMA is a respectable level on Baba, as I seen. So after I seen on a 1-minute time frame, it didn't have much sentiment below that point. I said, okay, I'm gonna enter, put my stop loss at where the pre-market resistance was, and let this thing ride, man. So y'all see I entered, it came down a little bit, almost stopped me out, still respected that 20 EMA that I was just talking about, man. And after it broke $90 for about 2 to 3 minutes, it hit 90.50, and then this was a level I already had charted to, man. So I said I'm gonna take profits right here, and on a $90 stock, a 50-cent move up is a 25 to 30% gains roughly, man. I'm gonna put the gains that I made off Baba right here, so y'all know we not doing no capping around here in Joe Rich Trades, man. And I'm glad I sold when I did, because what, it got gained right back down. Now granted, if I would have played it a little bit more patiently for the day, we would have seen 100% gains damn near off of this, at least 75%, because it did hit a 91.14 level and then started getting pulled back down. You understand what I'm saying? But scalping is about, again, being in and out of these moves, seeing profits and taking profits, not leaving no money that you already see in your account possibly on the floor, man. That's where a lot of y'all be messing up at. Now, I want to talk about ticker symbol TSLA. And as y'all can see, I played calls in the morning on Tesla, even though it was a little choppy. But why did I play calls? After I seen I missed this big old move up, and it was coming to a key level of 250, a key psychological level of 250, man. I said, okay, I know how Tesla moves. It likes to chop around. It likes to go up and down and up and down. It's a more volatile stock. But when it's on an uptrend and moving strong, you don't want to bet against calls on this. You understand what I'm saying? So I waited to see a pullback at a key level, so then I could enter while it was respecting again the 20 EMA. And if we put this on a 1 minute time frame, y'all can see how it was respecting the EMAs even more clearly, man. So I was really going off the 50 EMA on a 1 minute time frame, because I'm like, okay, every time it hits the 50 EMA, it has an upside to it. You understand what I'm saying? So I'm gonna look for a quick snipe soon as it hits the 50 EMA. And I called this in the Discord, gave my rationale for why I called it, man. If y'all do want to join the Discord, link is in description, man. So y'all go ahead, check that out. But back to what I was saying. I entered on this candle, and it was almost a perfect entry. You understand what I'm saying? It came down a little bit right here, but after it did that, it shot up. It kept respecting the 50 EMA, man. So make sure y'all putting the 20, 50, and 200 estimated moving averages as indicators on y'all trading view to help y'all out too, man. And I sold it when it hit this high right here. I didn't want to waste any time. I sold it for a quick, I think it was 15% gains, but I went heavy on the contracts, so that was $1,000 gains. You understand what I'm saying, man? So now I want to look at ticker symbol AAPL, man. This is a trade that I got stopped out on today, man, and I want to show y'all why I got stopped out on it and how you can avoid doing this now. So let's put this on the 5 minute time frame, man. And as y'all can see, I had this 229.5 to 230 level charted because it had turned to support on Friday, but had a slight resistance at 231. So I said, okay, I'm gonna either wait for it to run up to 230 and get rejected, or I'm gonna wait for it to break and hold this low in the pre-markets and come back down. You understand what I'm saying? So off market opens, it was kind of chopping around. It came down to where I said, but it was a fake out and it got pushed back up. So I said, okay, I'm gonna let it run its course up. But I was being impatient, and as I seen this candle, I said, okay, it might start to reject. I seen this little red 5 minute candle, and I said, okay, it might start to reject, not even thinking it might just be a pullback and will run its course to the exact key level that I had charted on the night before. You understand what I'm saying? And this is why I always say, stick to your levels that you have charted. Don't front run. You understand what I'm saying? Have patience and discipline. So it rejected here. And if I would have stuck to my game plan and made a reversal puts play off of this high of day, you see me in the Discord would have obviously bankrolled, man. But instead, I was front running. I was hoping that it rejected off this 200 EMA, only to get stopped out in the next candle, man. And I want to show y'all that on a 1 minute time frame right quick, because it got kind of choppy. So now we zoom in on a 1 minute time frame. I entered here. I said, okay, I'm seeing profits a little bit, but I wasn't comfortable with taking profits right there. The risk to reward made no sense. You understand what I'm saying? So now it kept chopping around. I should have seen, okay, this is obviously a what? Bull flag pattern, man. This is a flat top bull flag pattern, if you don't know what this is. So it made a move up, started chopping around, and then made this flat top and then broke the highs, man. After I seen it broke the highs, I did get stopped out and minimized my loss to only 7%. And again, I'ma always tell y'all, this game is not about winning all the time, more so as it's about winning way more than you're losing. You understand what I'm saying? So just keep that in mind, man. For ticker symbol SPY, I want to tell y'all what to be on the lookout for in the upcoming trading days, man. So we've been holding this level of 568 that I had charted since last night. That was once resistance, but what happens when resistance gets broken, man? The resistance turns into support. So as y'all can see, 568 has turned into support, man. Now, under that level, let's put this on the 5 minute time frame. We are bullish overall. We've been making new highs since last week. You understand what I'm saying? It's just making new levels. So if we break this 568 level, I do want y'all to be on the lookout. It's going to get pulled down to at least 566. You understand what I'm saying? And that can be in 100% gains in options trading terms if you catch that whole move. Now, if we start to break 569 and 570, which is a new resistance, we could come up here, retest, fill this gap, and break higher to 572. But the only way we're making new all-time highs is if we break 572, man, which was this key level up here on, I want to say, yes, Thursday of last week, that it faked out right above, man, only to get yanked back down and start and made resistance at 572, man. So we have to jump the hurdles. We have to jump these key levels. We cannot front run. We have to wait till certain key levels are broken and held to hop in more calls or play reversal plays on puts, man. So with that being said, I ain't gonna keep y'all for too long, man. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, man. Make sure y'all in the Discord, because we going crazy. You understand what I'm saying? Without further ado, I'm gonna talk to y'all soon.